What's up, everyone? What's up? What's up? What's up? How's it going? How's it going? How you doing? Comment down below. Tell me how your day's going. If you've been riding, if you live in a place where you can ride, or if you're like me, you're stuck somewhere where it's cold and you can't. But today is the 6th, so that means we have 10 days before round 1 of Supercross, which obviously this year, being like last year, is affected by the pandemic. So things are going to be a little bit different. First off, let's just get this right out of the way. It's going to be streaming on Peacock now and NBC Sports instead of NBC Sports Gold or whatever it was. Yes. Yeah, that sounds right. So now you're going to be watching on Peacock, which I'm assuming Peacock Premium, or you're going to have to pay for it, or I don't know how that works, because as far as I know, Peacock's free, but whatever, who cares? We're going to go over the schedule, which, as far as it looks like, they're doing a Saturday, Tuesday, Saturday kind of thing, which personally I think is going to be really good for the privateer class, or privateer people, because you're having, like, the first 3 rounds are Houston at the 16th, Houston the 19th, Houston the 23rd. So there's, one whole week where you're just in Houston. You don't have to fly home. I mean, you could fly home probably, obviously, or drive home, whatever. But if you're from Texas, whatever. But if you're from Florida or whatever, you're going to be staying in Houston for a week. So that means you don't have to drive a whole bunch, from 3 different cities, 3 different directions, for 3 different weeks. It's just 3 rounds: Saturday, Tuesday, Saturday, Houston, 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 which is cool. Round 4 is Indianapolis. Round 5 is Indianapolis. That's the 30th, the 2nd, and round 6 is Indianapolis also, which is February 6th, hilariously. Round 6 is on the 6th. Round 7 is Orlando. Round 8 is Orlando. Round 9 is Daytona, which, of course, they can't get, you've got to have the one big name race in here. There's no A1, there's no, I don't know of another big one, but you've still got Daytona in there, which is going to be cool on March 6th. Then you go Arlington, Texas on the 13th, the 16th, and the 20th, and that's your Supercross round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 rounds. There you go. Like I said, I think it's cool for privateers. It's going to be a lot cheaper for them because they're not going to have to travel as much, so you're not going to be paying as much in fuel. And obviously there's the other side of that, where if you're going to have to stay somewhere for a week, you're going to be paying for hotels or whatever. But who knows, maybe the moto community will have houses or something. I don't know how it's going to work, but I think it's going to be cool. It's going to be different. I'm glad that it's at least Houston 1, Indianapolis 2, Orlando 3, Daytona 4, Arlington 5. There are at least 5 different cities. It's going to be a lot better to me, instead of watching Utah, which was the same over and over again. Like, I understand the tracks changed, but it was the same track basically. They just ran it left or right, whatever. And especially doing it this way, you're going to get Texas dirt, you're going to get Florida dirt, you're going to get Indianapolis Indianapolis dirt, but that's, I'm assuming, going to be inside. So you're going to get indoor, you're going to get outdoor, you're going to get Daytona, you're going to get Houston. Houston in January is not going to be very hot, but whatever. I'm excited. I am going to go back and do what I did. I don't actually remember if I did it last year, but I'm going to do the recaps of the races, and hopefully, if the fiber gets connected to my house before this starts, I don't know when, because they're still splicing, I might be doing some live streams from watching it. I won't be able to stream it, I'm assuming, because obviously copyrights and whatever, but hopefully I can, we could have little watch parties, and we could all just kind of watch and react together. But, yeah, tell me what you think. What do you think of the schedule? Who's your favorite for this year? Are you excited for Barsha moving to Gas? Are you just think it's going to be Tomac again? Whatever it is, comment down below. Make sure to hit the little thumbs up, like button, the notification bell, ring-a-ding-ding, subscribe, comment, do all that fun stuff, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.